Hello, my name is Raymond Flaherty, and I want to go ahead and show what I have completed on this last assignment for project or module 10. It's not completed just yet, but I do want to show what I have so far, and I may need to reach out for a tutor to help out with my final little bit just to kind of help me get past that last stage. So I'll go ahead and get into it. For my employee database, I'm going to go ahead and just show the testing functions that I already have in place and finished with. Let me just go ahead and see you down into the test. The first thing I have done right now is I created test functions for which, as soon as they're done running, I can show that all of my they all pass and pull up the code here for my employee test. These are all the tests that I'd written for my employee database that runs for the engineers, for my intern, and for my manager. And they all function just fine, and I'm very proud of them. But what I've run into a problem with, and I'll just go ahead and show that. Let me back up one. Okay, so I'm in the final. Well, I'm actually starting in Node. We're going to get off of index. Oops, that is not. There we go. Okay, first thing, let's build an employee database. Let's enjoy the prompts and enjoy. First thing it's going to do is going to ask you if you're ready to begin, yes or no. If you go ahead and select no, it's going to ask you just basically restart the program when you're ready. So I am ready to show you what I have thus far. So if we go into yes, it's going to ask me what your employee title is, and we're going to. I always start with the manager. It's going to ask what my manager name is. That'll be me. I manage the product. My employee number, it's going to be 5. Actually, something I did in here is if you type in anything other than a number, it's going to ask for an employee number, for an actual number. This going to ask you what your email account is. Still, it's going to. I have all this, everything set to validate. If you don't enter in any of the spots, it will prompt you to put in a certain string for those. And for the manager office number, same thing for my ID number. It's going to ask for an actual number. So I want to go with number 3, office 3. Once you go through one round of questions, it's going to take you back to the original. Ask if you want to add another employee. Go for an engineer. My oldest son's name is Henry, so we can go there. His ID number is, we'll call him number 1 because he's my oldest. His email account, I'll keep that a little private because it's personal. Now it asks for his GitHub username, different from the manager section, which only asks for his office number. This time it's asking for his GitHub name, Henry G. And now it's going to ask us for the intern. Or excuse me, now it's going to prompt me to see if there's anyone else I wanted to add. And I go with my intern. My intern will be my youngest son, William. His employee number, he's number 2. His email account. And then it's going to ask what school he goes to. He actually attends Tom Joyner, where he goes to preschool at. And those are all the prompts for the 3 different job types. Come down here to here. It says done. Now it says it's gathering the employee input. This is where everything kind of stops for me. It gets all that information and it